All right, so let's see. The work done on the gas during the isothermal compression is 1,390 joules. Why don't they have us calculate it? Because we'd need calculus. Not very hard calculus. It's just a power function. It's the integral of a power function. Since it's 1 over something, it ends up being natural log, but it's not hard. But they don't require you to do calculus on this test. So they tell you that the work done on the gas. Now remember, work done on the gas is negative work, right? That's negative work on there, right? Okay, so determine the change in entropy of the gas for this compression. Well, let's see. Entropy is, I don't know why this is a change in Q, but they have it like that, right? So we got to figure out what Q is. We know what the work is, but we got to figure out Q. So let's figure out Q. Q is just delta U plus work, right? Now they're saying it's isothermal, so therefore this is 0. There's no change in internal energy because the temperature, remember, is intrinsically tied to internal energy. So if we have negative 1390 joules of work done, that means that 1390 joules flow out, right? And that's what negative 1390 for Q means. It means heat flows out, right? This will be a decrease in entropy, okay? So we also know that this all occurs at a temperature of 400 kelvins because we know this is 400 kelvins. They've just told us that this is isothermal. So this is also 400, and it's 400 the whole time. So really, isothermal processes are the only ones that we can actually calculate the change in entropy, unless it's like, there is no heat flow or something like that, okay? So we can figure this out. Delta S is negative 1390 divided by the temperature, which has to, of course, be kelvins, right? So negative 1390 divided by 400. This is negative 3.475, and that's joules per Kelvin. Right, now how many sig figs do we have? I think they're going to think we have 3, so I think you'd have to say negative 3.48. You could say negative 3.47 equally, just saying. Or maybe negative 3.5, I don't know. They don't really, on questions with sig figs, they will specify that this one you're getting graded on sig figs, so this one they're not. So any of these answers would be correct. All right.